What's up, guys? I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and on this video today, we're actually going to be talking about the 5 steps that it's going to take in order for you guys to make money with YouTube. Now, I feel like with this current climate, there's no better time to actually start a YouTube channel and actually start generating some income from it, because there's just a lot going on right now, as you guys know, and a lot of people are utilizing YouTube for entertainment purposes. They're utilizing YouTube to learn more information and consume information for different reasons. And we're going to talk about that here in this video. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually kind of go through the 5 steps that you're going to actually have to take in order to make money with YouTube. But then I'm actually going to be showing you guys some examples of current niches that are exploding right now on YouTube, and that what you can do to actually tap into those niches that are exploding and just siphon off some traffic and make some sales. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And like I said, we're going to be talking about the 5 steps to making money with YouTube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go through these 5 steps with you, talk about them a little bit, and then I want to take you guys over to YouTube and actually show you some tactical things that you can actually do to build a brand fast in YouTube and provide a lot of good content and information for people that are already on YouTube right now searching for it. And you guys will see what I'm saying here in a second. But obviously, if the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a niche, right? So that's the first thing. And in terms of niches, I feel like people are consuming content a lot differently than they were a few months ago. So as you guys know, we're going through this whole global pandemic and things are a lot different. The scope of the country looks a lot different. Everybody is staying at home and they're being quarantined and no one's going out. So I think that a lot of the things that people are consuming on YouTube now are things that are just going to improve their situation. So I know that kids are home now, so a lot of parents are looking for ways to entertain their kids, to entertain themselves. A lot of people have been laid off, so they're trying to figure out how they're going to make some additional money while they're sitting at home. A lot of people are actually trying to learn different skill sets. I actually know a few people personally that are taking like Microsoft Office class to learn Word and Excel and Access so that they could be better prepared when they go back out on the workforce. Some people are trying to learn how to just write resumes because they haven't done resumes in years, because they've had, you know, their jobs for years and now they're being laid off because of what's happening. There's schools and universities and a lot of different companies that are trying to figure out how they can, you know, provide information to their students, to their colleagues, using online virtual sessions and classes. So there's a lot of people just consuming all of this content, and you can actually use this time to, you know, provide a lot of this valuable content for people and build your brand at the same time, and in turn sell products, tools, and services that can actually help people out while they're going through this difficult time. So in terms of picking a niche, I would definitely try to pick something that people are currently searching like right now. And I'm going to show you guys again a live example of something that people are searching right now and getting a lot of traffic, but maybe even like the survival information, like the survivalist niche, when people are hoarding food and they're trying to figure out how to make masks and make things stretch. You know, there's a lot of different content that people are constantly searching to try to find out more information about. So obviously the second thing you have to do is you have to create videos. So obviously with creating videos, you can actually sit here on camera like I'm doing right now, and you can create videos, you can create PowerPoint presentations, you can do screen shares, you can actually use Content Samurai. Last week I did a video on Content Samurai, which is a video creation software tool that basically you just type out an article or the information that you want to be said in that video. You pop it into its software and it just creates the video for you guys. So I actually did a demonstration of that last week in that video, and I'll actually leave that video down in the description so you guys can check that out. And it actually walk you through how you actually create a video without being on screen, without showing your face, if that's not something that you want to do. So obviously you have to create the videos. So number 3 I have down here is ride the viral wave. And essentially what I mean by that is, you know, people are consuming this content in these particular niches and it's being consumed at a massive rate, right? So a lot of people are online, they have more time, and these niches are just getting a ton of traffic. I'm going to show you guys a specific example of how you can actually kind of piggyback on what's already exploding on YouTube, and you know, you can basically kind of jump on the bandwagon and siphon off some of that traffic. Then you also want to grow organically. We'll talk about that in a minute when we jump over to YouTube. And then lastly, you want to go ahead and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. So let's go ahead and jump over to YouTube and we can kind of go through an example of what I mean to kind of ride the viral wave, and we're going to talk about how you can also grow organically. So let's pop over to YouTube. And so, you know, we talked about the different niches and what's actually being searched a lot right now. So I know for a fact that a lot of colleges and companies aren't meeting now because of course you gotta have the social distancing. So a lot of, you know, organizations and schools are going to these online platforms to try to communicate with their, you know, coworkers, with their students, and so have you. And a lot of people are using Zoom. So earlier today, I typed in the keyword how to use Zoom. And if you guys don't know what Zoom is, it's basically like an online platform that you can use to like talk to a whole bunch of people at the same time. It's kind of like a FaceTime, but you can have like 30, 40 people in there. So the keyword is how to use Zoom, right? So now it's actually brought up the results on how to use Zoom. Now, the way you want to determine if a particular keyword or a particular niche is basically blowing up and going viral is what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to filter, right? So you want to see upload dates. You want to click on this month, and then you want to go back up to filter, and then you want to click on a view count. So what is this going to show us is for this particular keyword, how to use Zoom, it's going to show us what videos were made in the last 30 days and the top view counts. So we actually scroll down here, we can look at these videos, right? So this video was made 2 weeks ago, 777,000 views. 1 week ago, 697,000 views. How to use Zoom, made a week ago, 497,000 views. Look at this, Zoom for kids. Remember we talked about like people are trying to get their kids involved, 332,000 views. And these videos were made like a week and 2 weeks ago, guys. So essentially this keyword is getting millions and millions of searches right now. So if you as an affiliate marketer wanted to show people how to use Zoom and how do you set up a Zoom account and how do you add people in Zoom and the full-on tutorial, how do you set up the online classes, how do you do this, how do you do that? People are searching for the information. You can see it right here. People want to know how to use Zoom for video conferencing, how to use Zoom for remote online learning, how to use Zoom for kids, Zoom meeting controls, and it goes on and on and on. And people are searching for this information, right? And you can do this within any niche. So basically essentially what you would do, you would type in whatever the keyword that you wanted to target. And then once you type in that keyword, again, you're gonna hit the filter, and then you're gonna hit this month. And then of course you're gonna hit filter again, and then you're gonna hit view count. And then that's gonna show you the virality, if that's even a word, of how that particular keyword is doing and that niche is doing. So then you know that you can actually kind of take those keywords and make content around them. Now, how do you actually piggyback off of some of these videos and try to siphon off traffic? So what you would want to do is you would basically want to use similar titles, right? So you don't copy their title, but you use a similar title. So this says how to use Zoom, free video conferencing, and virtual meetings. So your title could be how to use Zoom, free video conferencing, and virtual meetings, step-by-step tutorial, right? So essentially you use the same title, but you added something to that. So now it's unique and you're not just copying that person's title. In terms of a thumbnail, you could use a similar thumbnail. Obviously this thumbnail is proven to convert already. It's getting a lot of traffic, so you can use a similar thumbnail, something that just says how to use Zoom, or Zoom tutorials, or Zoom for beginners, Zoom for newbies. And essentially what you want to do is you would click on this video as well, and you also want to use the same tags as this video. So you would basically, need to have TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and then you want to grab these same tags. So essentially, you know that that keyword is being searched a lot. You know that the videos themselves are, getting a lot of traffic, as we see. You check the viability by filtering out the videos that are being produced, this month by the view count. And then you're going to go ahead and then create content that are similar to these videos. So you want to have similar titles, you want to have similar thumbnails, and then you want to grab the tags from these videos that are doing very well. And the reason why you want to do that is while these videos are coming up in the search engines, you want to create similar videos that you yourself can also rank for. And if you don't rank as high as some of these other videos because they already have so much views, maybe you can come up in the suggested videos. So if you clicked on this video again,
hey, it's Brian from...
If you clicked on this video again, obviously there's always going to be videos that are down here that people are going to suggest, that people are going to come up. So you can come up in the suggested videos and get a lot of traffic that way. So if each one of these videos are getting 500,000, 600,000, 700,000 views, don't you think that you could create similar videos with similar titles, with similar thumbnails, with the same tags, and give that same good content and value and siphon off a lot of traffic, right? I think you can too. And if people are looking to get Zoom, well, I actually went over to Zoom earlier today and I found out that Zoom has an affiliate program. You can actually apply here to be a Zoom referral partner. So while you're giving good content, or you're giving good information, showing people how to sign up for Zoom, how to use the Zoom features and functions, you can actually, be an affiliate for Zoom and actually make some commissions by selling Zoom to people that are going to buy it anyways. I mean, a lot of these schools, a lot of businesses, they're using this platform as we speak to basically network with their colleagues, have virtual meetings and virtual school. So why not be the person to, deliver that great value, deliver that great content, make some sales from Zoom, as well as build your brand. And, you can start with Zoom. You can go to GoToMeetings. There's so many other different platforms and tools and training softwares that you could teach on your channel in pertaining to like networking with colleagues and having these virtual meetings that a lot of businesses are doing right now. Now, in terms of just growing your channel organically, you definitely want to do that too. Obviously, you want to, like I said, try to ride the viral wave of videos and content that's already out there, but you still want to try to grow organically and target low competition keywords that you're going to be able to build, more views and more channel authority over time. Because as a small YouTube channel, if you're just starting it, yes, you may be able to ride this wave, but you also want to try to build up other videos as well that's going to kind of sustain your channel and bring organic views into your channel, and go after those keywords, those low competition keywords that you can rank for. So essentially what you want to do is you want to have this extension called Keywords Everywhere, and that's going to give you the ability to see the searches here in YouTube. So this is a free extension that you can actually download, a Chrome extension, and if you put $10 into this account, it gives you like 100,000 searches. Right now I've been just searching for months, and I still have 82,000 searches left, so it lasts for a long time. So even with this same particular keyword, how to use Zoom, you can look at some of the other keywords that people are searching for. So how to use a Zoom app, that's being searched 720 times. How to use Zoom video conferencing 170 times a month. How to use Zoom on iPhone, that's searched 390 times per month. How to use Zoom app on Android. So these are keywords that are low competition. Anything that you can find under 1,000 searches per month, it's going to give you a greater chance of ranking for in the actual search engine. So you can go nuts by typing in different keywords in the search field and just kind of finding new keywords to target. And what I like to do is what I call the ABC method. So how to use Zoom A, that'll bring up different keyword options. How to use Zoom B, that's going to bring you up how to use Zoom C. You can see how to use Zoom conferencing, how to use Zoom chat, how to use Zoom call, how to use Zoom conference. So you can just basically go nuts in terms of, finding different keywords, relevant keywords that are related to your channel, and you can target those specific keywords and really drill down and get a lot of organic traffic while you're, again, trying to ride the wave of some of this viral activity that's going on now. And like I said, most of these tools, softwares, online platforms, they do have affiliate offers. So as you are educating, as you're giving that value, you can actually become an affiliate of these products and services and actually make money from them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you haven't checked out my free affiliate marketing course, it's called the Super Affiliate Hack. It's a course that is designed to take a newbie affiliate marketer from $0 to $100 a day with their affiliate marketing business. So you guys can go ahead and check out that course in the link in the description. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.